Do you dream of financial freedom and a life of luxury? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet? If your answer is yes, then you don't want to miss this video. I'm going to show you how to harness the power of Chat GPT to help you get rich. With a few simple tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to financial independence and a life of abundance. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to get rich with Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a language model created by OpenAI, which has the capability to generate human-like text, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of Chat GPT to help you earn an income. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step to making money with Chat GPT is to identify the niche that you want to specialize in. This can be anything from customer support, content creation, lead generation, and more. The key is to focus on areas where Chat GPT can provide value to businesses or individuals. Step 2. Offer your services. Once you have identified your niche, you can start offering your services to potential clients. This can be done through freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, or by reaching out to businesses directly. Be sure to highlight your experiences and the unique benefits that ChatGPT can bring to the table. Step 3. Customize the model. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you will need to fine-tune the model to your specific needs. This involves training the model on a large corpus of text data related to your niche, which will help the model to generate more accurate and relevant responses. Step 4. Provide quality work. Once you have customized the model, it's important to deliver high-quality work to your clients. This means ensuring that the responses generated by ChatGPT are relevant, accurate, and high standard. It's also important to be responsive to your clients and provide regular updates on your progress. Step 5. Marketing and sales. Once you have a scalable business and a fine-tuned model, it's time to start marketing and selling your services or product. This could involve reaching out to potential clients, leveraging social media, or utilizing paid advertising. The key is to effectively communicate the value that ChatGPT can bring to the table. Step 6. Invest in yourself. Finally, it's important to continually invest in yourself and your business. This could involve attending industry events, reading books, or taking online courses to improve your skills and knowledge. The goal is to stay ahead of the curve and ensure that your businesses continue to grow and thrive. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money with ChatGPT is a lucrative opportunity for those with the skills and experience to leverage the power of the language model. By identifying your niche, offering your services, customizing the model, and delivering quality work, you can provide value to businesses and individuals and earn a significant income in the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has given you some valuable insights into how to make money with ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.